just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Questo weekend voglio anche un applauso. Siamo 220 persone. My discotheque